What a wild day. You know, I flipped over to the chart earlier and kind of expecting the SEC thing and kind of not. I flip back to the chart and suddenly it's up, you know, to 47 something, 47.8. I was like, oh shit. You know, and as I'm sitting there, I'm thinking like, dang, should I long? Should I add some in? Glad I didn't. I've been long since around here. I bought the Psychosis line. We longed it. I first started the position here and then I added to it here. So that worked out. But, however, I will say that when I was trying to catch this move down, I closed one of my longs on accident, part of it. So I closed like half of it. But, I mean, that's good. I was up quite a bit. Now, we had the SEC news come out. And your boy Psycho Trading had it before anyone. To the point where we found out shortly after that it was fake. Which sucks. And this happens all the time in the stock market, where a whole stock will rip and then dump. This is why you need to be smart about your trades. It's difficult to, you know, to predict what the market's going to do under extreme news like this. Now, what it normally does on bullish news is it dumps. So we were expecting that it would rip up and then it would sell off. Not this quick, obviously. But we were expecting it to do that. All in the Telegram, psychotrading.org. So it's just wild that it happened. So we're still waiting on the SEC news, by the way. And one of the guys in the chat posted a thing that said the SEC news obviously was real. It just wasn't ready to be released yet. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if there is actually an approval. If there is, that's excellent. Maybe a sell the news event, though. Make sure you guys are ready. Except we're about to touch the spider line that's there. Psychosis line. I want to move over to Jesus Coin real quick. This thing has been ripping all day. These don't seem like much, but they're huge moves. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we had that daily candle, remember? So it looks like maybe this is playing out a little bit. I'm hoping so. I know it's going to be something, and we just got to give it time.
Together building the future.
Yeah, together building the future. NASDAQ ripped today. I got a great long on NQ today. I long this shit. What time did I long? It was like... I think I grabbed it when it broke through here. I wrote it out. Or I happened to buy it here. Because normally what I look for is a break of the Psychosis line. a shift over. Yeah, I think it was here because I remember this being like, oh shit. Shift, and then we come down, and then we come up, and generally you want to buy the line after we've gained support above this, and that's what I did. I bought here and here. Grabbed 2 contract trade. Ended up being about 3,000 bucks. Not bad. Worked out well. Let's take a look at some of these other coins. I think the daily just reset, so we don't really know what happened yesterday. Ooh. Wow. Ah, well. In the scale of things, it's not really that much. .com looks like it was moving today, and it went back down. Dixie's been interesting. Quite bullish lately. 12 hour looks like it is bullish. That's interesting. Yeah, so we're just waiting on Bitcoin to do its thing. I just released the new 1000x Trades handbook. If you already have it and you're already on the subscription, it's updated for you. If you're interested in it, it's only $60. A lot of those plays I called last month are up big, and some of them are down. But you get to see where I'm at a realized position. Unrealized. You get to see where I'm at on there. And that's, let's just say I'm up way more than the losses. So we're going to check out Dogcoin real quick, the DRC20. I know I haven't checked it. I like to check it every day. Some of these coins on here are going to be killer. Ooh. This is fancy. I have to pick some of these up. Doggy at 40 mil market cap, nothing new. This is about half of its all-time high. RSTX, same area. Dexum, a little bit down. I don't know, Doll. Did Doll go up at all? I don't know. But yeah, it's doing well. If you're in the handbook, or you get the handbook, I have a new protocol that I'll wait a day or two before showing it on here. There's a new protocol on there, and if you're not in that, that's going to be huge, because I'll drop little hints. Unisat just adapted their wallet to work with that. So those coins are going to be huge. I just want you to know that. Like they're on a chain level that can manage BRC20 tokens. It's going to be nuts. The next bull run is going to be insane, and you need to be positioned for that. And what's the best way to do that is you learn how to trade properly. Psychotrading.org. Grab the course. Change the way you trade completely. What we're waiting out on Bitcoin. It's really the SEC news. Looks like it's moving down a little bit. Let's get up in the higher time frames. Kind of see what's going on. Kind of reach the top. We got RSI's one under. Look at that Darth Maul candle. Nuts. 12 hour looks like a sell off. I mean, we could just be doing something like that. I'm thinking that we're going to return back to median though. So whatever's going on here, I think that we're going to push back up. And we're going to return back for the SEC news. Wild. Maybe bouncing at the psychosis line here. Yeah, it's going to be good. But tomorrow is the deadline for the government. So they got to do it. Jesus coin. Jesus Coin's gonna hit it. 2-day buy signal. We haven't seen a 2-day buy signal since it went to its all-time high and then it turned around. But this is way under the RSI or median point, and you can see here that the last 2-day buy signal yielded, that was at that point, yielded this entire thing. So I'm thinking that we're going to see an upside. I know I said before on the daily that we were probably going to head up to the green line. You know, we may still do it, but the 2-day is a lot better to have play out. So be excited about that. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you join the Telegram. You know what goes on. All right, later, guys.